Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to talk about how to pull the flywheel off from a Kawasaki engine. It holds true for all of them. There's a certain way of doing it. And the puller that we use, I believe we got that through Harbor Freight or online. But the key to having the puller is every flywheel is going to be somewhat different. All right, the threads where they thread in. The puller you can set either 2 or 3 depending on what the engine is. And a lot of times we built a kit, kind of like Jason, with his kits. But we started a kit quite a while ago of we would take extra long bolts that were mismatched here and there, but they would fit into a head or into the flywheel. We would throw into that box. And we ran into that today with the Kawasaki is we didn't have the right size bolt to thread down in. But with me doing a complete tear down, we went through the box of bolts and we found 2 that were a perfect fit that would fit into the flywheel and through our puller. So stay tuned, you can watch that, and then I'm going to show you how to get yourself out of trouble if you round a Phillips head in a stator or anywhere else for that fact. So stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and I thought today we'd talk about how to pull the flywheel off from an engine. Now, this puller, you can get Harbor Freight, you can get it online, eBay, Amazon. And one of the things that we did was we started a kit because every one is going to be different. And like with the holes that are here, they're metric. And I found 2 screws that would work with this puller from the box stuff that I've been taking off from it. So what you want to do is you want to get it set up, and then you want to take it right down so she's tight. And you don't want to use an impact on this. Get it so far. And what you want to do is you want to give it a light tug. And then just keep working your way down. You don't want to try to take it all at once. A lot of times what you can do is you can put screwdriver like right here where it comes up against something, and that's all she wrote. So now you just take and back this off, undo your screws. We're going to keep these screws as part of the kit because we didn't have them to work with. So now we have these, so if we're ever doing another Kawasaki, we can simply just use these bolts. There you go, folks. That's how she's done. Alright, so the pro tip of the day is when I was trying to take the stator off, it had Phillips head on it. And this one wouldn't come loose, and I ended up stripping it. So what we end up doing is taking a cutoff and notching it so you got a deep groove. And then this screwdriver here, it's got the head here. Just take and put it down, put pressure on it, and then whack it with this. And it broke it loose so I can get it out. So if you're into that problem, you're not screwed and you're not stuck. You just got to figure out a way to get it out. And I'll do a close-up here. This was a Phillips, and we made a notch in it. And there's your stator. As always, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned something today. Now when it comes to the puller, do not use impacts on it. Air or battery operated. You'll screw it up. I had a employee that did that to us once. Use either your strong arm or your ratchet and just keep tunking it as you go, and it'll pop right off, easy peasy. And as you saw with the Phillips, we just simply took an electric cutoff and just notched it so that we get the screwdriver in place to pop it out. And the screwdriver with the metal top, it's getting the full vibration down, so it's acting just like we have the impact style, where you hit it and turn. But they're all Phillips, and they aren't worth a crap. This way works, so this will get you out of a fix. So on that note, greatly appreciated that you watched the video. If you getting something from these videos, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. On that note, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.